Well, hello there, YouTube. I got a neighbor cleaning my back acre out, and it's making some progress. I had a vision for this. All this is going to be gone. All the cedar's going to be gone. All those mesquites are going to be gone. All this crap's going to be gone all the way back. I think this is the very first tree right here that's going to be in my backyard. This is the very first tree. Everything else is going to be gone, but look what he's done. These are sprinklers for our black water on our sewage, or not sewage, but septic tank. Oh, but it's a mess back here. But look at all this crap. It's just a mess. But he's done a really good job so far clearing this out. There's another. Oh, god dang trees. But look what he's done so far. Getting this all cleared out. I mean, I have property lines way over there. I'll show you. It's way over here. That's his New Holland. Okay, property line. Look at he's got this doohickey here that will actually clamp around the tree and lift it up, pull the roots and everything out. And let's see, property line. Ah, I see it. I see this thing. Here's his bucket. So here's my property line here, and it goes that way, right next to his property line. So it's probably right that way. And then this has got to come out of here too. This thing fell over, I don't know how many years ago, but hopefully he can get this out of here. My property goes all the way to the creek. So apparently I own half of this creek right down the middle, and it goes all the way back over here. So let me go on the other side. I think he'll come back this weekend and do some more. He just lives down the street, but he does this a lot for other people. We got his name. But look how it's all going to be cleared out. I mean, we're going to keep the good trees, but he's going to clear it all out. And my other property line is, yeah. See, I own all this even to the half of the creek. So I'm going to actually seed it eventually. He's going to grade it too and make it all nice and smooth. But it's looking good. There's my vision with all these big, beautiful trees back here. There's some dead ones there. But these are big, beautiful trees back here. Probably clearing all the snakes out of here now, which is good. Now they're leaving the deer. The deer used to come back here. So let's see, these are nice trees right here. Ooh, oh, there's something knocking. Oh, there's my property line. Where's my stake? He put this, there's the stake. You can see the stake right there. So that's my other property line. So it goes straight back that way, which goes to the edge of my grass on the other side of the yard. So it actually goes way in here because my house is over here. But look at this. It's looking good, right? It used to be all brushed like this all through here. That's all going to be cleared out. He's doing a good job. And there's the pile he's making. So eventually he's going to have to burn all that. Hopefully don't burn my trees down, but he's a fireman, so he's not scared. I would be scared to burn this. I got a pile up here that I did a long time ago, and my sons told my wife, do not let Dad burn that pile. He'll burn the house down. I told my wife that. And I wouldn't even attempt to burn it because it's just too much. Man, I got a lot of property back there. And I don't want to just leave it and waste it, leave it in wasteland. That's why I'm paying to have all this cleared out. And he's going to grade it and do all kinds of good stuff back here. And it goes, there's my house there. So my property goes way over here. Let's see if I can see the back of my shop. Gotta be careful where I'm walking. I think it goes right about here. So back to that stake back there, and then right this way. But I got some really nice trees back here, and he's saving them. I don't want the little scrubby ones. Like these little scrubbies are all gonna go. These little bitty ones and all these locust trees with all the thorns. I had walked back here and had a big old thorn in my shoe, and I didn't know what it was. I thought it was a rock stuck in there. I pulled it out last night. It's a big old thorn. Didn't go in my foot though. So this is looking great. I gotta go back here because this is a path. The only bad thing is deer used to stay back here all the time, but I'll put a deer feeder back here. I'll put a really nice deer feeder back here because I love the deer. They're beautiful. And they come back here. Believe it or not, I see them many mornings. I'm sitting, ow, God, the thorn hit me right in the tree, right in the head. I sit back here on that chair and there's deer. They'll stand right here and look at me with their ears up. But anyway, I'm getting excited. All this stuff's going to be gone. Gone. That'll be the first tree in the backyard, except for those. I already cleaned that out. Oh, here's my burn pile. My kids told me, don't let Dad burn that. I won't because it's too dry. Bye.